Welcome to Basic for Beginners Part 4. Today I'm going to show you how to apply your blush perfectly. Blush आप 3 तरीके से लगा सकते हो and I'm going to show you all 3 ways.
Number 1 is the classic blush application for a lifted look. cheek के इस एरिया में lightly you have to apply the blush and then build it. इस blush को मैंने सिर्फ अपने cheek bone पे लगाया है जो कि एक lifted look देता है. The second one is blush application for a fuller look. इस blush की application आपके जो apples of cheeks होते हैं वहाँ से start होती है. Again, you have to lightly build it from the apple of your cheeks to the cheekbone. Left side पे है lifted application and right side पे fuller application. The third and my favorite is sun-kissed look, जहाँ पे apples of the cheek से nose पे blush connect हो जाता है. बहुत सारा blush नहीं लगाना होता है nose पे, बस थोड़ा सा ही लगाना होता है. And you're good to go.
Always remember, if you have extreme dry skin, then go for a cream blush or otherwise go for powder blush.
Bye and stay connected for upcoming videos.